Doors closing. Please stand clear.
The next station is Darra. Customers for the Springfield line, please change trains at Darra. Arriving at Darra Station. If this is your station, prepare to disembark. Customers for the Springfield line, please change trains here. Customers are reminded the exit buttons are located in the middle of the doors.
Darra Station, right hand side.
Darra Station. Mind the gap. The next station is Wacol. Now arriving at Wacol Station. If this is your station, prepare to disembark. Customers are reminded the exit buttons are located in the middle of the doors.
Good morning, Squire. I'm just sitting here watching the beautiful visions outside the vistas outside of window at Wacol.
Oh, okay. So you'll be 11:26, I think.
Wacol Station.
Yes, I should
Mind the gap.
emerge from the bowels of the earth around about 11:30, 11:35.
Yeah, what I was, Laura, the reason for the call was to just make a slightly different arrangement to meet you.
Yes.
I thought what we'll do is there's been a few traffic disruptions in Ipswich, but it shouldn't be too much because there was some lower level flooding downtown here, but it's okay. It's
Yeah.
Nicholas Street car park, and if you carefully way up,
So I turn left outside of the station.
The next station is Gailes. Queensland Rail would like to remind all customers that for safety and security reasons, video surveillance cameras are in use.
Okay, so just please say again. Go across the road into the car park.
across the road.
Alright, I'll just keep heading through that, but there's like a public servants building or something.
Now arriving at Gailes Station. If this is your station, prepare to disembark. Customers are reminded the exit buttons are located in the middle of the doors.
I guess. Oh, okay. Don't you worry about that. Okay. Alright.
Gailes Station. Mind the gap.